I start the demo by typing in plot individual stock returns for my portfolio, and you can see that the process has started running. Then the results are coming in, and you can see that Google, which is a tech stock, has significantly outperformed other companies in the portfolio. So also I click on the 17 steps that were executed. It shows that the plan that was put together by the software that was generated, as well as the verification that was performed. So that this gives the solution transparency. So now I wonder if I should add Apple to the portfolio of stocks. So I type in, should I add Apple, or rather $10,000 in Apple stock to the portfolio? And it starts executing. And the results are in. This took apparently 3 steps, and it shows the overall portfolio. It shows that there are 5 sectors, and with none of them being overrepresented, the stock prices. And one of the key important things to note is that Apple has significantly outperformed the portfolio, as well as it has a better risk-adjusted return. Sharpe ratio is a measure of risk-adjusted return. One of the things to note here is that from a management overview perspective, that net sales actually decreased by 3% for Apple. And adding it to the portfolio essentially increases the return and increases the Sharpe ratio. When I look at the chart, it's clear that the overall portfolio before Apple did well, but once you added Apple, it did even better. And the different stock prices are shown here. So next, I want to figure out what are the details of the management overview. So I type what is the management overview for Apple stock? And this request starts executing. The results are coming in, and the growth signals for Apple service net sales went up by 9%, gross margins went up, lots of new products, etc. But in terms of decline cues, yes, net sales actually decreased by 3%. But if you dig into it further, it shows that Mac sales decreased by 27%. So that's quite significant. Semantic Brain provides domain experts the ability to customize reports. As you saw in the demo, the investment decision report can be easily customized by declaring the investment report, identify the individual steps associated with that report, and then recommending those steps, as well as if certain conditions are met, what additional steps need to be performed. It's actually as simple as that, and whether it's finance or marketing professionals, they can customize these reports themselves. And similarly, the security configurations for AI security can also be configured using a YAML file, where you can specify the security rules and any role-specific security configurations.